Do you think Tesla stock could rise to $10,000? It is currently trading at less than $200 per share. This seems unlikely, but most investors have always emphasized that Tesla stock is an investment for the long term, not the short term, indicating their optimism that Tesla will rise significantly in the future. You wouldn't want to miss this opportunity because he has accomplished some amazing things. Elon might completely change a number of industries. Speaking on Tesla CEO Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, famously known as simply Warren Buffett, Warren Edward Buffett is an American business magnate, philanthropist, and chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, which owns over 60 companies, including restaurant chain Dairy Queen, insurance company GEICO, and battery manufacturer Duracell. Buffett is one of the world's most successful investors, with a net worth of over $131 billion as of June 2022, ranking him as the fifth wealthiest person in the world. Being the son of a U.S. congressman, Buffett became interested in business and investing at a young age. At the age of 11, he filed his first tax return, and at 13, he bought his first stock. He and Bill Gates established the Oracle of Omaha Giving Contribute in 2010, which calls on billionaires to contribute at least half of their fortune to philanthropic causes. When questioned about Tesla and its contentious CEO Elon Musk, one of the greatest investors of all time, Warren Buffett, Buffett responded hazily, saying he's accomplished some amazing things. About the well-known EV manufacturer, Buffett also stated this: Elon might completely change a number of industries. Buffett has previously hailed Musk as a wonderful individual, but has also stated that he has room for improvement and should be more judicious in his tweeting. It is no secret just how controversial Musk is, especially with how he exchanges tweets with his followers. Some may even argue that at least half the time Tesla trended is not actually because of the brand itself, but because of its leader. On the other hand, Musk responded to a Twitter thread claiming that he was worth more than Warren Buffett and Bill Gates. He joked perhaps Warren Buffett should invest in Tesla. Despite this, Musk confessed that he is not Buffett's greatest fan. He has questioned Buffett's kindly grandfather character and called managing funds across Berkshire kind of a boring job. It can be noted that Musk and Buffett had met on several occasions. Only Buffett said that he met Musk in person after Musk joined the Giving Pledge several years ago. The Giving Pledge is a campaign organized by Buffett and former Microsoft Corporation CEO Bill Gates, created to encourage the world's wealthiest individuals to donate the majority of their wealth to philanthropic causes. Buffett stated, "I've only met him once or twice, but yeah, I've talked with him, but not for quite a while." When asked if he would buy Tesla shares, Buffett simply replied, "No." Despite this, it is clear that Buffett has faith in Elon and Consequence Monthly. Given its potential for great success in the not-too-distant future, Tesla is currently regarded as one of the best growth stocks available. However, due to the company's adoption of high-level business strategies, like most stocks in the stock market, its stock prices are expected to grow at a more consistent and steady rate in the future. Buffett seems to be a believer in GM and Bide, even though he has never invested in Tesla. As of the end of 2021, Berkshire held 2.2 billion shares of General Motors Company and 6.1 billion shares of Chinese electric vehicle company Bide. Tesla stock has seen its fair share of highs and lows, and like other large corporation stocks, it can be challenging to predict, even for the most seasoned Wall Street analysts. Elon Musk's success at Tesla is being praised in an earlier interview with former CBS anchor Charlie Rose Buffett. After all, he's taking on General Motors, Ford, Toyota, and all these people who have it all, and he's winning with an idea. That's America. You can't even imagine how amazing it is. Buffett stated once more that his words mean almost nothing since they are not supported by his deeds, which indicate who is right about EVS Musk or Buffett's revelation that Berkshire Hathaway is blowing past its competitors because it may begin supplying rival companies with batteries. Tesla made headlines more than 10 years ago. Elon Musk mocked the notion that China's Deco was a real rival, saying that things might have changed by now. The Bide, financed by Warren Buffett, is poised to overtake its nearest competitor in China. Tesla Incorporated, a Bide executive, recently stated that his firm, some say it's a wise decision, and that was planning to supply Tesla with batteries very soon. If the deal goes through, BYD will rise to become one of the biggest and most well-known EV and battery manufacturers in the world. With a range of EVs and more advanced lithium iron phosphate batteries, BYD has stepped up its game over the last 2 years, allowing it to seize worldwide market share. The business expects to sell 1.5 million units this year, putting it in position to take nearly a third of the Chinese EV market by the end of 2022. In April, BYD sold over 46,000 electric vehicles, EVs, compared to Tesla's 1728, placing it among the top producers of electric vehicles by sales. In May, BYD announced that it would no longer be producing fuel-powered vehicles, a first for any manufacturer. Shanghai shut down its EV sales, which had increased by 250% from the previous year. Although the terms of BYD's agreement with Tesla are unclear, it is likely that the Chinese company will supply Teslas with its Blade battery, an innovative take on the decades-old lithium iron phosphate formulation. BYD has focused on this chemistry rather than the nickel-cobalt-manganese variety used by several peers because it is safer and more efficient in terms of space energy density and range. BYD has been making a concerted effort to obtain resources, such as lithium. While Musk's company has struggled to get its in-house 4680 battery off the ground and is still looking for locations throughout the world, BYD is moving forward, making sure that its cars are powered and that it avoids getting caught up in China's supply chain snarls, especially after enduring a difficult lockdown in Shanghai. Diversifying its supplier base makes sense for Tesla, even though one of its existing partners is the world's largest battery maker currently in existence. When it comes to recent performance, Musk continues to have the upper hand. You can't go wrong with Buffett or Musk. Over the last 1, 5, and 10 years, Berkshire's stock has underperformed Tesla's in every period. In the last year, Tesla's shares have increased by over 70%, outpacing Berkshire's 32.5% rise during that same period. The further back you go, the stronger Tesla's performance is. Tesla is up 1778% over 5 years, topping the 107 gain of Berkshire in that time, and it's up 195% in 10 years, topping the 325% rise of Berkshire. But before calling Buffett's investment prowess overrated, it's helpful to compare how Berkshire did in its first years as a public company. Shares of Berkshire Hathaway shot up 1,206.4% in their first 10 years of trading, following their April 16, 1985 restructured debut, as tracked by SP 500, says Global Market Intelligence, that more than doubled the 464% gain by Tesla shares in their first 10 years of trading, following the June 29, 2020 first day of trading. And in many ways, Buffett's Berkshire stock is doing just as it's supposed to now. The stock has done exactly what I wanted and expected it to do, massively outperforming during times of turmoil, when growth stocks are getting whacked, said Whitney Tilson of Empire Financial Research. Overall, both Elon Musk and Buffett are firm in their beliefs when it comes to the EV industry. Both are experts in their own rights and had their own respective sound arguments. The EV industry is becoming bigger and bigger by the second. More automakers are joining, although it is likely that other companies will eventually surpass Tesla and produce equally high-quality electric vehicles. Tesla continues to lead the EV market today. The Tesla team is constantly innovating and developing new and innovative products. For more content on Tesla stocks, please subscribe to our channel.